Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. My name is Chris Jaggs, and here is your quote for today. The fact that you aren't where you want to be should be enough motivation. So what is it you're trying to do? What is it that you want to be doing with your life? If everything is great, then you've really got this life thing nailed, haven't you? But for those who aren't where they want to be, what are you going to do to start doing something right now to get you on the road to where you want to be or enhance your efforts? You are your only motivation. So it's time to kickstart yourself, to push yourself towards something even bigger, just for you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.